I've bought at least 12 planners. I abandoned 11 of them by March. Here's what finally made it work. Why most planners get abandoned. Too many sections you never use. No daily ritual to anchor it. Trying to plan everything instead of the right things. The only pages you actually need. Monthly overview, big picture deadlines. Weekly layout, what's happening each day. Daily top 3, the 3 things that move the needle. The Sunday setup, 10 minutes. Review last week, what's unfinished. Add all appointments to the week view. Pick your top 3 priorities for each day in advance. The daily morning ritual, 5 minutes. Open your planner before your phone. Review today's top 3 tasks. Cross off anything already done, immediate win. How to pick the right planner. Simple beats beautiful, you'll use it more. Undated planners let you start anytime. A printable planner you customize beats expensive pre-made ones. Get our free printable weekly planner, simple and undated, link in description. New tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.